now.
Look, the smoke coming out of the hole.
Oh no, I think that we might have damaged it a little bit too much. Look
Yeah,
at
the other part of the fireworks went over there.
Look, here it is. Smell.
Yep. I think something's on fire.
Well, we got
Go wait,
water.
Bug.
So far,
I think it's sinking.
Yes, sir.
It's sinking.
So you know where that hole was? It didn't really do what I needed it to do. But it seems like this was a helpful test. That this thing is terrible at handling them.
It's going down.
I'm gonna help it.
Well, it's not on fire now.
Yeah, like we don't want it.
Cut the camera. We done